Okay, cryptocurrency. Let's start with Bitcoin, shall we? This is a Bitcoin future chart. Okay, I like to use the future chart because the volume is more accurate because it's one centralized exchange. Okay, it's still very bearish. It's we can see we had a little bit of pulse on weekly, a high test, double high test on that. Where do we think we'll go here? You see that gap here hasn't filled yet. So I see this gap fill, maybe testing the 20,000. See the opening area here around this area should have a test. But saying that, I think the bounce will be weak back to this area 26 and then range and range and range and tease you, because this is not really a solid support in the weekly chart. Only the 2017 all-time high, and then it broken in 2020 around October time, and that's it, and then we're up here. So would not surprise me that will spike down to here, more a level around 14, 15 here. Interaction here, also interaction here. And I see that probably be more the real move on Bitcoin longer term, you know. So shorter term, I'll show you on my trading chart. Bear with me a second. Switch back. Pop. That is the chart that I trade. Is again, it's not that easy to trade at the moment. So maybe if I do see a rejection back to this 30,000, then yeah, I'll look to sell it. Okay, if you become a members of us, I will share my trade before I put it on, and if you have any question, you can interact with me. It's very simple to join. Just follow me on the YouTube channel, drop me a comment, then I'll add you to our community. It is absolutely free to do that.